What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the coolest phone case for your car on the market today. The company that makes it is LAS Fit or LAS Fit, whatever you call it. You guys know them. They've been on my channel a ton of times before. This is a very straightforward installation process, but it's pretty stinking cool. I'm going to walk you guys through it real quick and show you how it works. Okay, right off the bat, they give you two different options for how to hook the phone case up to your car. One is this one little pincher guy right here. Those would go in like an air vent or something like that. And then you have the standard suction cup base, which obviously you would put somewhere on the dash of the car. Now, the coolest part about this phone charger right here, actually there's two parts that are really awesome. The first one is, I've already mentioned this, it charges your phone while it stays in there. So as you can see, this phone is charging right here. But the other cool part is the mechanics that it uses to keep your phone here. So I've got my phone dropped in here. As you can see, there's some gaps on either side of these little arms right here. Now watch what happens when I touch the side of the case. The arms just pinched around the phone to hold it in place. I touched it again, now the arms are back. So there's a button right there, or you can use a button on this side right here. And when you press that button like I just did right now, the arms pinch around the case to hold it in place. So I can turn it upside down, I can turn it face down, and it will not come out. And again, as you can tell, the phone is charging the entire time. Okay, so I want to show you guys something that's really cool, right? So I've already showed you that you can manually touch the sides of these things to open and close the arms on it, right? However, so I've got it plugged in, to my air vent, which is the way I'm going to have this set up in my truck right now, right? But I want to show you, so when you put your phone in the case, when it's set up and plugged in like this, the sensor will automatically sense the phone being dropped into place and pinch it to secure it. So watch what I mean. So I've got my phone here. I'm not going to touch the sides. I'm just going to drop it in place. And the sensors automatically detected that the phone dropped in and held it and pinched it in place. That is really cool. So to release it, you'll obviously just touch the side again and it will open up to give you your phone back. Just like that. And one more time for good measure, because that's such a cool feature. So it automatically senses the phone, pinches to keep it in place, and your phone is going to be charging the entire time that it's in the actual holding case. Now, some of you might be wondering, how does this actually hold up? So as you can probably tell from the little bump that I just ran over, I am actually using this phone right now in the holding case hooked up to my AC vent to be recording this portion of the video. So what you're seeing right now, the video, the audio, this is all being filmed on my iPhone from within the case. And as you can hopefully tell, I mean, there's a little bit of a couple bumps that I'm driving over on the road right now, but this phone is held very securely in place. I'm not at all worried about this falling out or anything like that. And it's also charging the phone as I'm doing this. Just in case you don't believe me, hello. Just in case you don't believe me, hello. And there you have it, guys. It's an awesome product. It's extremely innovative. I've never seen a phone case that automatically opens and closes and senses to hold your phone in place. And I really like the fact that once it's in the phone case, it actually charges your phone the entire time. This product will be linked down below. Thank you so much to LAS Fit for sending me out this product to try and use in my own truck. If you guys have any questions about it, I will leave it all linked below, and I will get back to any of the comments or questions that you guys leave below for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface, so I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid